Old MacDonald had a farm, A-I-A-I-O. Okay, maybe that's not how the song goes, but it might in the not so distant future.
I'm a cybernetic organism, living tissue over a metal endoskeleton.
And although AI can't help neither us nor Old MacDonald dig a hole, what if I told you that we can use AI to significantly improve our email deliverability? In this video, I'll introduce to you 3 AI-based tools that my team has been using to increase deliverability. We're not sponsored by any of them, so you can expect a non-biased demonstration of each tool. Also, I've made sure to include 2 bonuses for you. One bonus tip for getting rid of the spammy language in the subject lines, and another bonus tool that will further improve your deliverability. Keep watching, folks. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. As they say, if an apple a day keeps the doctor at bay, having AI clean your email list keeps deliverability issues away. It just doesn't rhyme as well. However, even if you have a clean email list, you need to make sure your addresses are active, especially if you have a lot of catch-all emails, which are prone to bouncing. Think of it as flossing, which ensures that your teeth are even more spotless after brushing them. For this, we'll use AI email scoring, a tool provided by ZeroBounce, an email validation service that my team has had nothing but success with so far. Their AI tool works by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying the patterns of email addresses based on their activity. It's as if AI stood across the street from an email address with binoculars and told you how active the user is. Pretty neat, right? For the purposes of this demo, I've prepared a list of email addresses. Some are active, some are invalid, or spam traps, and the like. I'm going to click on New Score List and simply upload the list I've prepared and let the AI start processing it. In no time, I get the results back. My emails are scored from 1 to 10 based on the activity, and according to ZeroBounce, you should only email addresses with a score of 9 and 10. Moreover, ZeroBounce offers an API with which you can automate the process and send the CSV files in bulk, so be sure to check them out. Did you know that 1 in 3 recipients open an email after reading the subject line? It's no wonder that subject lines are considered to be the pickup lines in the world of email marketing. For writing attractive subject lines that not only catch the eye, but also the curiosity, my team has been using the AI-based title generator by CoSchedule, a marketing management platform that's been helping marketers worldwide for more than 10 years now. I begin by opening Headline Studio and navigating to the Generate section. There I'll enter the topic or a keyword for my email, enter my target audience, and select the desired tone of the title, and click on Generate, which will land me a few high-quality headlines. Now let's analyze one and see how we can improve it. Here the AI provides us with in-depth statistics of our headline, and most importantly, suggestions for improvement, word balance, reading grade level, clarity, and more. And voila, you've rock-solid headlines for your email. We've also set an alarm clock to see how long it takes to come up with a catch subject line with AI and without AI. And guess what? You can do it with AI, but it will take 5 times longer. Okay, AI is cool, but how do we get rid of the machinery taste of AI language? All we have to do is avoid using phrases such as unleash the power, delve into, maximize, and other similar words that you'd expect a robot to use.
You gotta listen to the way people talk. You don't say affirmative. You say no problemo.
Next up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the dreaded spam folder. Luckily, AI can tell how likely your emails are to end up in spam. Let me show you how. Think of AI as your buddy who tells you whether you dressed well for a date. You wouldn't want to show up wearing something that screams spam, so AI helps you make sure your email is dressed to impress. For this, we'll use the new tool offered by Microsoft Dynamics, which uses AI to check emails for any spammy content, among many other things. To save you time, I've already prepared an email copy for this demo. Now I'll open it, click on the spam checker feature, and it will tell me how likely my email is to land in a spam folder. Fortunately, this is a low-risk email, but if you get a medium or high-risk score, it's time to tweak it a bit. Here's a quick tip. Avoid using spammy words such as earn, limited offer, or hurry. These words are the email equivalent of wearing socks with sandals. Not a good look. If you want a full report on your spam issues, you will have to bring out the big guns. So be sure to try out Mailtrap's spam report feature. You get a detailed spam analysis, which allows you to significantly improve deliverability. It's not AI, but it's honest work. Okay, it's time for the second bonus, a little gem of a tool that I found for improving email deliverability, Folderly. Basically, it works similar to Grammarly, if Grammarly was an AI tool that filtered spammy words from emails. Simply visit the official website, paste the email address that received a high spam score, and it'll guide you through fixing it. Works like a charm. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. Okay, I'm just kidding. That's all for today with the deliverability tools. But you still need to create engaging email content, right? We have shot a tutorial about doing exactly that with the help of AI. I'm sure you'll get a useful tip or two, so click on the end screen and I'll see you there.
Hasta la vista, baby.